All right, of course, with 4-state trucks being the home of the Vendetta all-leather truck seat, we had to get rid of the Peterbilt factory seats and put in the Vendettas. We've got them in here, and I'm telling you, this was like a great beam of light shone down out of the heavens and shone on us. As most of you know, the Vendetta seat currently was only available with a standard height base. You couldn't get a low base. And like a lot of you have been requesting, we got them in here, original right out of the box, and we thought, how cool would it be if we stopped what we're doing and we designed a low base seat adapter for the Vendetta seats. That's exactly what we did. We actually designed, fabricated, and are now producing a base that's going to fit any Vendetta seat to turn it into somewhat of a low base. You can see the part number on your screen, so in the future you can buy the Vendetta seat of your choice, and then you can buy the low base seat adapter, and you can have exactly what you're seeing here. The great thing is it's the best of both worlds. It's not quite as low as a traditional Bostrom or National low base, but it's not as high as what comes on the Vendetta and every standard seat put in every truck. It's kind of a mid base. We've actually got them in here, and as you can see, they're a lot lower than your standard base that comes on the Vendetta seat. It sets great, it's functional, it looks cool, it lets you put a little bit of air in the seat, still have that low look and that low ride, but you've actually got some air there to kind of take the bumps out of the road. And if you do have something where you got to air the chair all the way up, you're on a job site or something, you can certainly do that. So the Vendetta low base seat adapter is now available at 4-state trucks, and it is going to make the already spectacular Vendetta seat the perfect seat for your truck.